All right, so got the drone out. Got 98% battery here. I just want to do a quick check to make sure do a pre-flight check to make sure all of my settings are still good to go. Make sure all of my obstacle avoidance is still on. Enable horizontal tap to fly. Yep, I got to get all those on, and the obstacle avoidance set here. Okay, so we're just gonna get this up, and I want to shoot around with it. I want to fly around, do some shooting with it, and I want to do a test to see how long this battery actually lasts. It is now. Maybe I should actually start a stopwatch on this, but it is 8:25. I'll go with 8:25. Let's get a flight around. Let's do some shooting with it and see how it looks, and then I'll let you know how long the battery lasted. All right, so here we go. Oh, look at that. Something's wrong there. Look how it's vibrating. You see that? Something's definitely wrong there. So let's get this thing back down on the ground and see what the hell is going on here. So I keep getting these little warning messages that pop up and they go away too fast for me to freaking read them. Something that says something about altitude being too large, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it says attitude is too large, forward and backwards obstacle avoidance is unavailable. So I guess because I had it like this, for some reason it says attitude is too large. What the hell does that mean? Attitude is too large, forward and rear obstacle avoidance is unavailable. What the hell does that mean? I have no idea what that means. So not only am I getting that crazy vibration, which I don't know where that's coming from, I'll see if I can see that. If you can see it, it says, see if we can get it in there. See when it pops back up if you can see it. Come on, do it again. Come on, do it again. So I can't reproduce it right now, but it says attitude is too large, forward and rear obstacle avoidance is unavailable. On a bright sunny day, this thing taking off from the ground is giving me an error message already. So error number one, error number two actually, on top of the vibration. All right, we're gonna try another takeoff, but I don't want to fly this thing. I want to try another takeoff to see if it's vibrating like crazy. I checked all the propellers; they all are locked down tight. They're all in the right positions. Just so you can see, whites are on whites, blacks are on blacks. They're all tightened down, and this thing was vibrating like crazy. All right, so let's go up one more time and see what happens this time. Still, vibration like crazy. There is something wrong with this drone. Okay, so your aircraft has entered let's see, it says I'm in a Class D flight zone. Okay, so again, not sure why, but maybe it's that IMU issue. So I'm going to go in and check it real quick. I'm going to go and check my statuses, just to show you that it's going to the status menu. I'm looking at the status menu, and everything is showing up as normal. I don't know if you can see that. So looking at this, calibration normal, compass normal, IMU normal, electric speed controls normal. battery. Everything in this is normal right now, except for the fact it says I have a slow SD card because you can't shoot 4K at 100 megabits per second without a smoking fast SD card. So we are done today. This is a very short video. I thought I was going to actually get out and test this thing. I don't know if it's the cold weather. I don't know if it's the IMU. But as you see, this thing is busted and it's got to go back. So hey, sorry. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the vlog. I got to return this thing and I will get back to you soon. Oh yeah, I also have the DJI Osmo 2 on order. It's February, so it should be shipping sometime this month. So definitely stay tuned for that and anything else I might get my hands on to do a tech review on. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.